Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fund your Tonkeeper wallet account. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper wallet app. Also install the third-party crypto trading platform like Bybit. Once you download these apps, first of all, launch the Tonkeeper wallet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you log in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one. After you are logged in, you will see this interface of the app. Now, in order to fund your Tonkeeper wallet, here you can see the receive option. Tap on it. You can see the QR code which you can use to receive funds from others. You can copy this address too. You can send this address to others to receive Ton coins in your account. Now launch the Bybit app. After you are in the Bybit, make sure that you have enough funds in Bybit. Here you can see the assets icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now choose the option convert. First of all, you need to convert the currency that you have in your Bybit account to the Ton coin. So select the currency you have in Bybit and choose to convert to Ton coin. Type in Ton and select Ton from here. So now you will be converting from USDT to Ton coins in your Bybit account. Once you have enough Ton coins in your Bybit account, now select the withdraw option. Search for Ton. Select Ton from here. Now paste the address that you copied from your Tonkeeper wallet. Once you paste your address of Tonkeeper wallet, you can check all these settings. And once you're done, you can tap on this withdraw button. That's how you can fund Tonkeeper wallet. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.